Hey beautiful people, get ready to use Oils and Bars all natural luxury spring cooling refreshing citrus soaps.
Oils and bars.
Oils and bars.
Oils and bars.
I'm excited here. I'm gonna go take a shower now.
Oils and bars. Yeah.
Check her out. So I started with measuring my butters and oils, and I brought them all together with using food safe sodium hydroxide, and I emulsified all my base ingredients together, and then I added Nature's Miracle for dry, itchy, and tight skin, my homemade oat milk. And this video is sponsored by Oils and Bar soaps. Oils and Bar soaps are better than regular soaps because they are made with the best ingredients, and they are bigger than regular soaps, weighing at over 6 ounces. Regular soaps weigh over 2 ounces. Get you some for a limited time at $3 a bar.
Get with the program. I love her soap.
So now it's time to add my grated lemon and lime to my soap batter. Now let's talk about the skin benefits of using citrus on our skin. If your skin is darker under your arms and between your thighs, citrus can help to lighten those areas, and it also fights against acne and brighten your skin complexion. So turmeric isn't the only additive in a soap that you can use to help lighten dark marks. You can also use citrus to lighten dark marks on your skin. And remember, use Oils and Bars because your skin is beautiful and deserves the best soap.